And then, yeah, I just want to talk about like this player with South Africa, yabo. And I was just speaking with the Giants available and Eskila and stuff. And it was just, they were like, nah, it is a joke. Right now, I'm just taking it as a joke, but if things they vie well, yabo. But okay, let me just say, first of all, I'm a Chelsea fan, you know. And I be like, nah, TLP, if you don't know TLP, it is Banumbogazi, yabo. I was like, nah, the way that kid actually plays, he's the same age as me, he's 19. The way like the boy actually plays, yabo, I was like, no. It definitely feel like izinto vele zimvayela kahle and stuff, but definitely like ngambona like with Chelsea, he's the type of like ama defenders really with Chelsea that they've been having and stuff. And because I'm just thinking ukuthi, but I'm not saying he's on the level yet, really. Definitely he's not on the level yet, but he can just grow gradually available to like the team if vele izinto vele zimvayela kahle. But another thing we don't see most of the time, which like especially black South Africans available badlalele vele for the top, not even top for like ama teams available with Europe and stuff. So yeah.